Erere, erere, te wai rere tika tonura, wai paruru ki wai papahu atu wai, horo tiu ki wai atarau heke tonu, atu ki tuna mahau ka hora a ki wai te matai.
Auckland. Are we unique or just another city? What is it about Auckland that makes it different from all other cities? Other cities have the same things we have, like beaches, boats, restaurants and cafes, marketplaces, and nightlife. What is it that makes Auckland different? Our culture makes us different. Māori have lived and died on these lands for around 1,000 years. This occupation leaves an indelible mark on the historical landscape. These stories, accumulated over the centuries, give us a rich foundation in cultural history. So how do we demonstrate this to the world? We have cityscapes as common and ordinary as any other, but our creativity turns what was bland into something that reflects who we are. We have opportunities to go from the ordinary to the extraordinary. We have our own unique stories. Few cities started with Auckland's geographical advantages, or with the open generosity of the traditional inhabitants. Auckland's city centre was once very different. I will show you 3 special places that are significant to Auckland's cultural foundation. Te Rerenga Ora Iti, now a small pocket of park. Te Waiariki, now a tap in a car park wall. Te Waihorotu, now buried under Queen Street. Te Rerenga Ora Iti was a strategic peninsula contested for its landmark presence on the Waitemata Harbour, most of it now quarried away. This is where the local chiefs transacted that most generous deal, 3,000 acres, that is now the city centre of Auckland. This is what remains of Te Rerenga Ora Iti in Emily Place. By acknowledging our history, we build identity and understanding of who we are. These stories become bridges for understanding. Te Waiariki is a sacred water source. The abundance was enjoyed by all and nourished the surrounding settlements. This is Te Waiariki now. A garden hose and a plastic tap. Let's honour fresh, clean spring water, a wellspring for life, with value far beyond its basic natural properties. Hidden beneath our main street is a stream. Te Waihorotu once flowed from the Karangahape Ridge through Myers Park down Queen Street to the old Horotu Bay, where the ferry terminal now stands. It's not by chance that these places were crucial to our foundation. Fostering and acknowledging the memories of previous generations creates a rich patina that over time defines a place inseparable from our sense of identity. So how do we fully realise the inherent value of our unique identity? We use creative and innovative thinking, utilise Māori design principles, invest in our future by acknowledging our past. Let's ensure the landscape reflects our uniqueness, because this is what makes us unforgettable. So how do we do it? We do it through collaboration and cooperation, through learning and acknowledging our past. We do it with goodwill and understanding. We do it together. The distinctive identity of Māori is Auckland's unique point of difference in the world, for there is no other city like it. As Auckland sets a frantic pace of growth and expansion, the question we need to ask is, if we don't know where we have come from, how can we know where we are going?
Kia noho, kia noho tonu iho ki te rohe nei e puke kawa ka irunga ko Ngāti whātua a pirirawa Ngāti awa ngā oho marutu ahu me wai ohua I tāu iho I a te whero e tā maki makaurau e I a tau.